Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Norma Galloway. I'm a professional organizer here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I'm going to be showing you some folding techniques. So if I have a little small crop shirt, I just fold it in half and I use the Marie technique where I see if it stands up, so that helps to make sure that it's folded correctly and place it in the drawer. So once I continue to just fold up all of my shirts using the same method, whether it's long sleeve, short sleeve, I just continue to place them in the drawer and just lay them out flat. You want to just kind of press it out a little bit to get the wrinkles out and then start to fold. You just roll it up and that's it. Easy breezy. So as you can see, I have a lot of room in this dresser drawer, so I'm going to just place the t-shirts in there, and I've already have some that I've started. When you're a professional organizer, you just love doing this kind of stuff, so it's very therapeutic to me. So I just put on some soothing music, get my bottle of wine, have a glass of wine, and just relax. So this took me like 45 minutes, so now I'm moving on to folding some towels. Just a technique to show you how I take my clothes out of the laundry, and I'll just fold it right away, and I pick my clothes up right away when I do my laundry, because I don't want to have pending projects around the house. So that's lesson number one, is to always finish the project. If you are doing laundry, make sure you fold your clothes that day, place your clothes where they belong, and if you establish a system, then you know you can either lay your towels down in your laundry, stack them so it looks, in a linen closet so they look nice and uniform, or just place them in a little cute basket or something. And your towel should stand up once you're all done, and voila, there you go. And so now you have your towel ready for the next use. Same thing with t-shirts. I just lay it flat, press it out a little bit so get some of the wrinkles out. And once it's fresh out of the dryer, it's pretty easy to get the wrinkles out of the shirt. And just lay it down and fold it over twice, left to right. And then you start at the bottom and just start to fold the t-shirt over like so. And your t-shirt should stand up. And when you put it in the dresser drawer, it'll be nice and snug. Okay? Show you one more thing. I have a small towel here. This towel, same method, fold it into a rectangle. Doesn't matter the size. You just want to get the towel to, you make it a lot smaller, take a lot less space once it's folded correctly. And that is it for the towel. So now we're going to be placing these items where they belong. And now the laundry is finished for that. Okay, let's see. Now let's try working with the t-shirts. So we're gonna be folding jeans right now, because I've already did the t-shirts. So I'm folding my jeans, laying them flat on the bed, pressing out the wrinkles. And some people hang their jeans up, but it depends on how much space or how you're using your closet. You may want to fold them. But I use the heaviest part to fold over first, so this way it's not bulky. And just fold it up and roll it over about 3 times. It depends on how long the jeans are, and they should stand up nice and neat. And you can just place them on the shelf, either laying flat, or you can stack them in the bin, and if you have something like that, it'll help save space. So I thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. And please visit my website at savviesorganizations.com. You can find me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Pinterest, under Savvy Zen Organizer. And that's it. I'm happy that you were able to watch the video, and I appreciate your time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.